Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a truly exceptional design that proves bigger isn't always better. We're looking at a functional two-bedroom modern cottage plan that packs incredible style and livability into just under 1,100 heated square feet. If you're looking to downsize without sacrificing quality, or you're planning the ultimate vacation retreat or accessory dwelling unit, this layout is going to inspire you. The real wow factor here is the amazing indoor-outdoor connection with substantial dual-covered porches. If you love this design, make sure to check the link in the video description below for full details and building information. Let's explore the layout of this 31-foot wide footprint. You enter from that generous front porch directly into a bright, open-concept living, dining, and kitchen area. It's designed with 10-foot ceilings throughout, making this compact space feel incredibly airy and spacious. The kitchen is super efficient, featuring an island with bench seating and a dedicated pantry nearby. What's brilliant here is the split-bedroom configuration, offering maximum privacy. On the left side of the plan, you have the primary suite, Bedroom 1, which includes its own private ensuite bathroom with a large shower. The absolute highlight of this room is the sliding door that opens directly onto the expansive 31-foot rear covered porch. It's the perfect setup for enjoying morning coffee outside. Over on the right side, you'll find the second bedroom and a full hall bathroom, along with a convenient laundry closet tucked in the hallway. The flow is seamless, and the extensive porch space effectively doubles your living area in good weather. This plan is ideal for a narrow lot in a coastal community or a cozy mountain getaway. There is so much to appreciate in this smart design. The efficiency is outstanding. There is absolutely no wasted space here. The split-bedroom layout is a major plus for privacy in a smaller home, and that massive rear porch is a game-changer for lifestyle and entertaining. The high ceilings will also make the interior feel much larger than the square footage suggests. If we are looking at minor considerations, the closet space in the bedrooms is a bit tight, which is typical for this size. And the plan doesn't include an attached garage, although a detached structure could easily be added to your site plan. Analyzing these exterior renderings, you can really see the versatility of this modern cottage framework. The defining architectural features are that striking steep metal gable roof and the welcoming front porch structure. The visuals show how adaptable this design is to your personal taste and region. You can lean into a rustic Pacific Northwest vibe with natural wood siding and stone veneer. Go for a sleek, moody modern look with dark siding and integrated lighting, or choose the classic, crisp white board and batten farmhouse aesthetic. Regardless of the finish, the curb appeal is tremendous, offering a look that is both timeless and contemporary. This 1,100 square foot modern cottage is a fantastic example of how thoughtful design can create a home that feels luxurious and incredibly comfortable, regardless of size. It's stylish, functional, and perfect for a relaxed lifestyle. If you are ready to explore the full specifications, pricing, and purchase options for this beautiful plan, head down to the link in the video description right now. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next design review.